What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Coinbase Global with the ticker symbol COIN. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So let's take a look at Coinbase. Well, what is it doing? Well, it's trading near its 52-week high. So it's consolidating because it just broke out of its prior resistance zone of 269. So this was prior resistance right over here, and a couple times over here. Price broke through it, and it's just consolidating at the top of this move, which is healthy, and it's going to be maintaining the support, right? You don't want to see price break a level and immediately fail back down. So this is a good sign that we're staying above the 269 level, which tells me that most likely we'll continue higher in the future. But as right now, in the short term, it's just a trading range, right? It's just a very small trading range. So you can draw a sideways pattern for that. And it's headed up higher. It's headed for the $500 level, taking out that prior all-time high at 432, reaching the mid $500 level because that is the top of the channel. So this channel fits really nice. It looks pretty good on the lows and the top. So market structure tells me if we hit one side of the channel, it will work its way to the opposite side, and it looks like it's headed there. It's not finding any strong resistance as of right now. It's just consolidating. Maybe it'll pull back a little bit lower, maybe to the 268 level. That was the breakout point. That's where it can fill in the gap and maybe resume the uptrend from there. So as of right now, short term, it's trading sideways, possibly even lower. But overall, trend looks still pretty good on the daily chart, headed up towards the prior all-time high of 432 and possibly the 500 and mid $500 level at the top of the channel. So that's how I'm looking at Coinbase on the daily chart. Not much to say in the short term, but everything is still looking pretty good to the upside. Here's a look at the weekly. You can clearly see that consolidation pattern on these candles. These are doji candles. A lot of times when you see doji, that means it's a trading range on a smaller time frame. And that can lead to more sideways trading. Like, for example, right over here, we had a red doji followed by two more dojis, and then price was bullish at the bottom of the pullback. This is kind of like a doji right here, couple of dojis, breakout. So a lot of times you'll see that. So we could probably see maybe another week or two of consolidation or pullback, and then resumption of the uptrend. Overall, long-term trend is still intact because price is still in the yellow channel. It's headed up towards the $1,300 level. That is the measure move target. This is all one large leg right over here. And then we saw the correction take place. This is the second leg. Looks like the $1,300 level, which is about a 4x gain from here. Is it guaranteed to get there? No, it's not. You have to watch the price action develop, right? This is where people think technical analysis doesn't work, right? Like everything is, in play to get up there. Like it's in play, it's set up to, reach the top of the channel or even this measurement target. But if you're watching that price action, like right over here in the near term, if you're watching that the most recent price action and it looks like it's struggling to push up higher, then all this becomes invalidated, right? It's currently set up to go higher, but if you're seeing the more recent price action falter to go up higher, right? It's like struggling to go up higher, or we're seeing strong bearish momentum, then things can change. So that's where people think technical analysis is like something you just do once and then it's set in stone forever, right? Like it doesn't change. No, you have to keep on modifying your drawings. You have to change. You have to keep on adapting with the market, right? It keeps on moving, right? So you have to keep on adapting. That doesn't mean you change a lot of things, right? This channel right here, most likely I'm going to keep it for a very long time, like several months. But, the short-term stuff, definitely you have to, continuously update. And it can eventually affect the long-term picture. So eventually this channel might be broken, right? So I'll have to maybe draw another channel, or we're not even playing the channel anymore. So you have to just keep on updating your drawings, especially in the short term. So that's how I'm looking at Coinbase on the daily and weekly charts. Basically, short term is taking a break after breaking out of its prior resistance level. It's at the 52-week high, so it's just consolidating, taking a break, catching its breath. Most likely will continue higher in the short term. After a possible drop down to the probably 267 level, but it could also just break out from here, so it's something also to keep in mind. But long term is still looking very bullish. So all I have for Coinbase on the daily weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.